Hello! Our topic today is writing an opinion essay. Сегодня мы поговорим с вами о том, как написать эссе с выражением своей точки зрения. So our plan is the structure of an opinion essay, linking words used in opinion essays, and structuring paragraphs. Let's start with what is an opinion essay. This is an essay presenting our personal opinion on a topic, supported by some reasons or examples. Then, what is a structure of an opinion essay? The first part of an essay is always an introduction, and it consists of one paragraph. In this part, we can answer such questions as how can you introduce the topic, and what's your opinion? Next part is the main body, which consists of 3 paragraphs. And we answer the questions. What are the arguments to support your idea, and what is the opposite viewpoint, and how can you prove this opposite viewpoint? And the conclusion, which consists of 1 paragraph, answers the question, how can you write your idea in other words? So you need to paraphrase what you have written in the introduction. So the first thing we are going to discuss is structure of a paragraph. A paragraph consists of 3 parts, and the first part is always a topic sentence. So a topic sentence, this is an argument to prove an idea. Topic sentence – такое предложение, прочитав которое, мы, в принципе, поймем всю идею параграфа. То есть нам не нужно даже читать информацию дальше, нам уже это все будет понятно из первого предложения. Next part is example 1 to support the argument, and the next part is example 2 to support the argument. Let's look at the example. The topic sentence. Secondly, technology is a valuable resource that allowed teens to learn new skills. So this is our topic sentence, and then we will have some examples or arguments to support this idea. For instance, many teenagers today are able to multitask and do research using the internet. So we see this is the idea that proves our point of view. And the second argument, furthermore, they have learned keyboard and computer skills that will help them at school and later in their working lives. This is also an argument to prove our idea. As you saw in our previous slide, we use some linking words. For example, secondly, for instance, and furthermore. We use them to make the structure of our essay more logical. So which linking words can we use in our essay? First of all, this can be linking words for introducing an opinion, and they are like this. In my opinion, it seems to me that, in my view, and I think, which is the easiest one. We can also use some linking words to list some points. For example, to start with, secondly, first of all. So we show the order of our arguments. Next group of linking words are the ones to add some points. For example, in addition, furthermore, what is more? So we add some new information here. And the linking words to introduce a contrasting viewpoint, which are on the other hand and alternatively. There are some linking words to introduce examples. For example, for instance, which stand in the beginning of the sentence, and like, which usually stands in the middle of the sentence. Linking words to introduce a consequence. Consequence – это последствия. And it is introduced by such phrases as a result or consequently. And the last group of linking words are linking words to summarize our ideas. For example, in conclusion or all in all. These linking words are usually used in the last part of our essay. And now let's look. You can think of a group of linking words and use them in each of your essay. For example, the example number 1. In paragraph number 1, you can use linking word in my opinion. In paragraph number 2, to start with, for example, in addition. Paragraph number 3, secondly, for instance, furthermore. Paragraph number 4, where we present an opposite point of view. Here we can use the phrases on the other hand and as a result. And paragraph number 5, which is a conclusion. Here you can use such phrases as in conclusion or I think. Как вы видите, ни одно из слов-связок не было повторено, и, в принципе, в каждом из своих сочинений вы можете использовать одни и те же вводные слова для того, чтобы они у вас лучше запомнились и у вас более быстро происходило написание вашего эссе. Это, собственно, был пример номер 1. Давайте сейчас посмотрим еще на один пример, какие еще вводные слова могут быть использованы. So, in paragraph number 1, which is an introduction, in my view. Paragraph number 2, first of all, for instance, what is more? Paragraph number 3, secondly, for example, furthermore. Paragraph number 4, an opposite viewpoint, alternatively, consequently. And paragraph number 5, all in all, or it seems to me that. То есть вы можете себе выбрать первую структуру, либо вторую структуру и уже по этому списку писать свое эссе. So, сегодня мы с вами поговорили о том, как написать эссе с выражением своей точки зрения по какому-либо вопросу, а также какие слова-связки и вводные слова можно использовать для того, чтобы сделать наше эссе более логичным. See you next lesson!